Every good machine has a safe, quiet speed, but your mind does not know how to slow down. You lie in bed at night. You replay old talks. You worry about things that might happen tomorrow over and over. You think something is wrong with you. Inside the Codex, we see this differently. Welcome back to the archives. Let us look at the machine we call the hyper-accelerated engine. Thinking too much is not a broken body part. It is just a very powerful machine that has forgotten how to let out extra steam. When a machine has no clear job to do, it does not turn off. It turns its power inward. It starts to burn its own parts, sending strong power down lines that should stay dark. Let us find the first big mistake: logical flooding. This happens when you try to fix a sad or angry feeling by just using hard facts. You think if you guess what went wrong 50 times, you will finally build a safe wall. You are wrong. You are not fixing anything. You are just throwing more water onto a wheel that is already cracking. Look deep inside your mind. It is a threat simulation matrix. Because your brain is so fast, it is always looking for holes in your wall. It invents bad stories that are not real just to see if your castle can stay safe. You are draining your battery, getting ready for a war that is not even there. Let us see what it costs to think all night. Your body has to spend too much fuel to keep your mind on high alert. When you let your thoughts run without a gate, your internal temperature gets too hot. Your battery drains down to zero before your feet even touch the floor in the morning. When you are healthy, your mind uses a tight wire screen. It throws away silly words from other people and keeps only the gold. But when your screen gets old and tears, filter degradation happens. Every mean face from a stranger, every small word from a friend drops right into your engine. The gate is broken. The machine is full of trash. Protocol 2 says you must do a console shutdown. When your thoughts run in a circle, you cannot talk them out. You cannot tell your brain to feel happy. You must pull the plug. You must cut the wire, drop the heavy door, and let the machine sit in total dark silence. Do not believe the big lie, the illusion of preparedness. Your brain tells you that if you worry a lot, you will stay safe from hurt. But heavy armor that stops you from walking is not a shield, it is a cage. You are trading your speed for a fake safety blanket. Every time you think a bad thought twice, you give it permission to take your power. To stop it, you must use the repetition lever lock. The moment a bad memory tries to turn a second time, drop a block into the gears. If the thought does not have a new answer, turn off its light. Find out where the noise is coming from. Most things you worry about are unverified signals. They are ghosts in the dark. They have no facts. They have no real proof. A strong boss looks at fake data and ignores it. If there is no real proof, do not waste your electricity on it. You must clean out your mud tanks. Thinking too much leaves bad, sticky soot inside your body. If you do not drain this heavy fluid by walking, staying alone, or stopping all talk, your pipes will freeze shut. Clean the tanks before the mud turns to hard stone. To cool down a hot mind, change the words you use. Do not say, "I am scared." Say instead, "The engine is running hot." This small change puts a cold, strong wall between who you are and the noise of the machine. You are not the wet storm. You are the stone pillar standing in it. Watch out for the comprehension trap. This is when you think you must know why everything happened, why they left you, why the work broke. Some things do not have a smart design. Looking for reasons in a mess is like looking for gold in a bucket of dirt. Stop digging and step away from the trap. Your brain cannot sleep if you keep feeding it silly digital noise. Every post you read is a new job that your machine has to work on. If your engine is already burning up, you must pull the plug on the noise. Turn off the phone. Close the book. Let the glass lenses cool off. The best way to stop a busy mind is to move your body right now. Worrying only lives in yesterday or tomorrow. Action can only live right now, in this exact second. When you force your hands to build, to run, or to clean, you pull the power out of your head and put it into your muscles. Check your reactionary vacuum. When a bad thought drops into your head, what do? If you scare easily, you feed it air. If you fight it, you make heat. But if you give it no response at all, the thought will run out of air and die. Let it sit there without giving it one bite of food. Start the rule of systemic isolation. This is a special hour where you owe nothing to the world. No texts back, no fixes, no work. You are a closed metal ball sitting safe at the bottom of the sea. The world can scream on top, but it cannot touch the air inside your room. Check your valves every week. A high-status mind does not waste time on problems that do not make money or keep things safe. If a worry does not build your house or protect your life, it is waste fluid. Do not spend your expensive power on cheap things. Make your mind a monolithic matrix. A law of math does not worry about the weather. It just works. Your daily focus must have that same cold, hard truth. Your peace is not a mood that changes when people are mean. It is the stone foundation. Look at the old books of your worries. Look back at what you feared 6 months ago. Did those bad stories come true? No. You have survived 100% of the ghosts your brain made up. Stop treating old broken thoughts like they are important news updates. A strong castle does not ask the outside world to stop making noise. It just fixes its own water filter. You cannot stop the messy data the world throws at your walls, but you can make sure your internal filters throw it away before it touches your clean water tank. You do not owe anyone your brain's power. Break free from the fake debt that tells you you must fix every problem people bring to you. Being nice to people who bring mud into your house is slow suicide for your machine. Cut the chain and let their mess drop into the dark. Let the space between your mind and messy people become a deep canyon. Do not try to fix every broken thing you see. If people cannot act right, let them stay on their own side of the dirt. Your house is too beautiful to hold other people's garbage. You have chosen to sit at the monolithic console. Your machines are quiet. Your water wheels are turning at a slow, safe pace. Your power is locked away safe inside your stone vault. Power is not found in counting every path. It is found in knowing which paths to never look at. The machine is locked. The walls are safe. The filters are clean. The quiet you feel right now is not a short mood. It is a validated output. Stop burning your body's machine to think about things that do not matter. Trust the engine. Refine the archive. I am the curator. Welcome to the Somatic Codex.